Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lupita, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Welcome back, you guys. We're going to be doing a makeup tutorial today, and I'm so excited. Shout out to my hubs who got me the Subculture palette for Valentine's Day. Real quick, I just want to tell you guys a quick disclaimer. Don't go out and purchase this palette. I'm going to use it because it's a gift, and he went out of his way to get me something that I really wanted. I really wanted this palette. I didn't really do any research or see any reviews on it. Had I done that, I don't think I would have bought this palette. So I'm gonna have Jeffree Star and Miss Tati Westbrook's videos linked down below so you guys can see the review why I wouldn't buy this palette. But basically, this palette is very powdery. You barely dip into it, and a lot of product falls out. And not only that, I noticed too when I was using it that a lot of places were patchy, or the eyeshadow would cling to certain places and not blend out completely. Like, I love the look that I made, but it was kind of hard to make it with some of the eyeshadows in this palette. But other than that, I love the colors. Like, I would love to, these are like great fall colors. Definitely go-to palette. I am still going to use it a lot because, like I said, my husband went out of his way to get me this palette, and I definitely do want to use it because I don't want $42 to go to waste. But definitely watch those reviews before you buy this palette. But without further ado, let's get to the makeup look.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. 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 All day long, we're running too fast on fumes and all day long, yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune, slumber away, inhale, exhale, dreaming about summer nights with you, sweeter escape, be wide awake, yeah. Away, delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. The holiday, replay, we don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. 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 Push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for the day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. Yeah. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a
Leaving you will get you round the glass. Alright, a pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers have the power to save a friend. And I know you are afraid that you'll fail again. You can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you. In the blue,
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.